成都的企业制作的。
Oh, it says sorry it didn't work, bro. Oh!
You see that?
What the fuck? Hold on, wait. Speak Chinese again.
欢迎来成都。
Hey, sweetie, it's working.
Wow.
Whoa! Finally, we're out the damn car. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
Just relax.
Speed steps out of his car, casually vibing to his own music. But things take a turn when some local people walk up to him and hand over a strange pair of translator glasses. At first, he has no clue how to use it, but when it suddenly starts working, his shocked reaction is something you just have to see. Get ready for one of the funniest and most unexpected moments from Speed's live.
Where we at?
Hi, Speed.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
I just see you too.
Hey, have a try. This is a translator glasses.
Translator glasses?
Yes, you can ask this teacher to ask some medicine knowledges.
What?
You can translate
Try.
it.
Yes.
Wait, this can translate live?
Yes. Have a try.
I bet. Speak Chinese.
你好呀，你今天来干嘛
I don't see nothing.
？See nothing.
It ain't working. It ain't working.
I
Sorry.
thought that was the Slack.
I don't see it on the screen.
You sausage.
How about now?
All right, say it.
你好呀，欢迎来到成都。
I don't see it, bro. I don't see it.
Oh, you touch this.
All
How about
right.
this time?
All right.
欢迎来成都。
I don't see it on the screen, bro.
Oh.
I don't see it.
Have you trading town?
Let me fix it.
Yeah,
Let me
fix
have a
that.
try.
Fix that.
Try it and see.
Yeah, it ain't working.
You can see.
Oh,
It ain't working for me.
yes, it's working.
No, it's not.
You can see.
Oh, okay, I see it. All right. All right, now go. Say it.
你喜欢熊猫吗？
你喜欢熊猫吗？
It says translation in
Okay,
progress.
that counts.
Wait. It says translation in progress. But it's not.
Maybe due to the first signal.
今天天气怎么样？
It just says translation in progress. It doesn't. It's not translating.
Internet is not working. Maybe the connection.
Sorry?
It ain't working, bro. It says translation in progress.
Let me see.
你是不是网络不好
Come here and
No.
ask this little
Hey,
get
Speed.
for you something.
Hey, it's working.
I know, but it says it's not.
working.
It says translation in progress.
Okay, wait a minute.
All right, go.
这副眼镜是成都高新区的成都的企业制作的。
Oh, it says sorry it didn't work, bro. Oh!
You see that?
What the fuck?
Did you see that?
Working.
Hold on, wait. Speak Chinese again.
欢迎来成都。
Hey, sweetie, it's working.
Wow.
Oh!
Hi, bro.
I speak Chinese. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. You can't see it on camera. Ain't no way you can see it on camera.
Probably.
Which eye was it? It's both of them. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera.
今天天气怎么样？
It's like green.
Yeah, it ain't working.
That's crazy. I did speak Chinese now.
Yes.
I did speak Chinese. Hold on.
Hello.
Hold on. Say anything in Chinese. Say anything in Chinese.
Translate.
Let me have a try. Let me have a try.
欢迎来到成都。
Say it.
我说的是中文。
Route.
欢迎来到成
They're
都。
right.
Like 1, 2. But it's when all these people come. Guys, go this way. Go this way.
Get back. We're back. I speak Chinese. Speak Chinese.
欢迎到成都，欢迎你到同仁堂体验中医，
I go like you. You can't see it on camera. We did not probably which.
请坐。
I was both of them. You say hello, Ching Du.
他还是
Ching
在室
Du.
内的眼睛啊，
还在试眼睛吗
还在室内？
能够看见吗？
你可以
他在
用中文
说英文
说。
啊，您直接说。
I don't like you. You said you didn't like me? Welcome to Ching Du. That's what you said.
No, he actually did not say that.
Oh, he did it?
Yeah, it was said in the
你
the
说的
glasses maybe.
你说的英文我不知道。
I was both knowing you say
Yeah,
hello.
he does not really understand what you're talking about because yeah, he cannot see what is being shown in the glasses.
Okay.
Having a better effect with the acupuncture. Yeah, it might be
颈
hurting a
肩
bit,
和头部放松
but，it helps you. Okay, so just
手臂放松
endure. Yeah.
Just let me know when it drops. Let me know. Oh my god.
看他的肩颈，
Oh fuck! Oh shit!
Just relax, relax.
What the fuck? I can't even laugh. Oh.
他的肩颈的松弛情况怎么样？